Okay, folks, this is ordering Starlink. Now, Starlink provides high speed, low latency broadband internet across the globe within each coverage area. Now, orders are fulfilled on a first come, first served basis. And I know that they're not going to really get everything started till late 2022 in the Florida area. But this is what you do: you put in a service address, click in there, and say you put in any address, and so they know I'm in Florida. So, say I put that address in 1101 East 39th Avenue, Tampa, Florida. And then it says if it can't find your address, plus code with city, privacy policy, and order now. So, let's look at this and see. Let's go to order now. So, when you go to order now, it says order must be completed in the remaining. If time expires, you will be redirected to the landing page. Order Starlink. This is the address that we put in Tampa, Florida. Starlink expects to expand its service in your area in late 2022. You receive a notification once your Starlink is ready to ship. So your hardware is going to be $499. Your service is going to be $99 per month. And your shipping and handling is going to be $50. And your estimated tax is going to be $41.18. And a deposit that's due today is $99. So your hardware, which is $499, and that doesn't include the phone. But this is just one of the steps that you have to go through when you're going to be ordering Starlink. $499, service $99 a month, shipping and handling $50. Estimated tax, whatever it is, wherever you live, and in Florida, is $41.18, and I believe it's Hillsborough County. So, this is just initially what happens when you order Starlink. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.